Hi.
Hi. It's Heather again.
And Emily.
And we're going to do Pop and Drop. The drop and pop. You ready? I'll do the first scene. What's the first scene? That's right. I have to get these put right. Sorry. Are you ready? I'm gonna zone in. Ready? Back.
Okay. I'm gonna zoom in.
Oh, wait. You hold that while I.
Muck.
Okay. I should continue.
You open the door. Hello, ma'am. You look awfully pretty today.
Hi.
I'm gonna need you to sign this.
Oh, sure. Oops.
Oh.
I'm so clumsy. It's okay, I'll get it.
It's okay, I got it.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. That was scene uno.
You ready for
scene? Oh, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to sign this, please. You're looking awfully dizzy, by the way.
Thank you. What?
How you doing? Oh, I'm good for you. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! The scene finished.
Oh.
Look like it. And it was like, see how much you can professionalize it.